Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to Miss Sky and fellow friends. I am Agent Shafiq bin Imran, matrix number 2019229006 from SR24328. Today, I want to present about sport psychology in rugby. First of all, definition of sport psychology. Psychology is the study of human and animal behavior. Sports psychology is the study of how psychology influences sports, athlete performance, exercise, and physical activity, involving the specific study of the behavior, action, affective emotion, and cognitive thought reactions to sport behavior and sport setting by sport participants and fans by 1997. The Science of Psychology Applied to Sport by Singer 1978. Influence of sports psychology. First is to improve athletes' performance, recognize the overcome to the pressure associated with sport competition such as rugby, acquire physiological skills to deal with athlete injuries, deal with problems of cooking during competition, improve the level of cohesion within team to improve performance, develop self-confidence for competition, and stay focused during competition. Importance of sport psychology in sports. A person's psychology or state of mind can have a significant effect upon their sporting performance. The selection of competitors for elite sport is influenced by an assessment of their individual psychology as well as other factors such as recent performance and fitness. Competition is tight, athletes are physically fit, and the margin for victory is slim. Personality. In generally, athletes often exhibit higher levels of extroversion and high and lower levels of anxiety than non-athletes. By Keynes, 1980. A model has been suggested that involves an interaction between an athlete's personality and the environment in which the athlete is involved, the interactional approach. For example, personality of player rugby must be an aggressive person because one personality also influences the sports they are involved in. Also, player rugby is a type personality of extrovert. Next is the invert U theory. Inverted U theory is explain relationship between arousal and performance. When arousal low, performance will be low. But when arousal is optimum or optimal level, performance will reach the best performance for the athlete, and meanwhile, arousal increased by an optimum, performance will be decreased from the best performance. Arousal. Arousal is combination of psychological and physiological activity within a person and deal with the level of motivation at any specific time. Sports involving high level of concentration and fine motor movement warrant lower levels of arousal for peak performance. Sports involving moderately high levels of strength, speed, and coordination require moderate levels of arousal. Sports involving high levels of arousal that include gross motor activities for a peak performance. Also, arousal can affect performance either negatively or positively. Application Clinical Sports Psychology. Clinical sports psychology is a combined apply techniques with clinical mental health care. A clinical sport psychologist helps the athlete not only train their mind for success, but also address mental health issues that might be affecting areas of their life outside of sports. For example, in imagery. Imagery involves the use of visualization procedure to imagine physical performance. In absence of physical movement, it also termed mental rehearsal or mental practice, often useful to improve performance in activities that require a lot of cognitive activity. That's all from me. Thank you.